بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أستغفر الله ربي من كل ذنب وأتوب إليه.
Assalamualaikum, welcome to Fatty Kitchen. In this video, I am going to make cheesy potato balls. For the ingredients, I am using 2 medium potatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg, 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Start by peeling and cut into chunks. Boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the potatoes and give them a light mash, just making sure they don't have any lumps. Then add salt, black pepper, paprika, and corn flour. Place a cube of cheese inside and making sure that potatoes surround all of the cheese. Lightly roll the potato ball between your hands. Roll it around in the egg until it's coated. Next, place it into breadcrumbs. Roll it again until it's completely covered. Repeat dipping the once breaded cheese balls in the corn flour and roll them in the bread crumbs again. This way they turn extra crisp. Deep fry the potato balls into medium to high heat. Move around gently and fry until the outside turns golden brown. Now it's time to eat. You can have them plain or with ketchup or of course hot sauce. Thank you for watching. I love it.